Welcome to ClearTask. If you want to take your Bigo streams to the next level by broadcasting directly from your PC, you are in the right place. In this quick and easy guide, I will show you the step-by-step method to go live on Bigo using your computer. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Bigo Live website. Once you are there, log into your account. After you are successfully logged in, look for the connector option in the top navigation menu and click on it. This section provides the tools you need to link your account to a desktop setup. You will see several options appear such as Bigo Live Streamer, Bigo Live Connector, OBS Stream, and mobile connections. For the most straightforward experience with full control, click on the Bigo Live Streamer option. Next, click the download button to save the official Bigo Live Streamer software to your computer. Wait for the download to finish, then open the file and follow the standard installation steps. Once the installation is complete, open the software. You will be prompted to log into your account one more time. After logging in, you will have access to the main dashboard. And that is it. You now have full control over your stream, layout, camera, and microphone directly from your PC. You are completely set up and ready to start your live broadcast. If this guide helped you get your stream up and running, please leave a like and subscribe for more direct tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.